Hello YouTube, I decided to go outside and take a look today what's blooming. Let's go and see. So let's look what's up front, because this orchid started opening more and more. Somebody last video asked about the tag. Here it is. When it rains I put them out because here they're under the roof completely. This is gonna be the regular white, one of my favorites. This one actually won a first place at one of the, I want to say, Venice show, and she's performing really well. Here, this is what happens if you don't pay attention. These, remember Renanthorus? That was when I got sick and I didn't spray them on time, and of course thrips had the party. Very, very sad. So the bugs, they are not getting any flus. They are working and eating our plants and getting healthy. Now, what's in there? There's my big cymbidium blooming the last spike. I don't have a name for the cymbidium. If you guys, anybody knows the name, I'd appreciate it. He is finishing. And then we have a little den over there, a little phalaenopsis over here. Now again, today we're kind of talking about little things that people get worried about. If you're new and these black spots, specifically on phalaenopsis, are bothering you, this is because of the water touching the flower. So whenever I have a beautiful phalaenopsis, I know I need to either put it inside if I want to see these blooms last longer. If they are outside, they're gonna get this black spots, which is nothing, it's just the water. They don't like water on the flowers. Okay, and then I just noticed recently, my Dendrobium criminatum. I'm not go oh my god, smells so good, guys. I'm not gonna take a full credit for this plant. I purchased this plant. One of the members in our society was downsizing, so that was something I looked at and I was like, yay. This Dendrobium is called also the storm orchid. They say it blooms only when it storms, and it's absolutely true. Oh my god. The smell, if you put your nose in there, maybe not that pleasant, but if you stand far away, it smells really nice. Yum. Yeah, and there was no rain or nothing for a very long time, and just yesterday it started raining and thundering, and boom. It took it like a day or two to put out the flowers. And Bruce is barking. He doesn't understand why am I out and he is not. So let's go see what's in the back. As you can see, it's not always sunny in Florida, and they promised the rain, and I actually can hear some really random drops on the roof. I don't know how other people that live in Florida, but for me, when it gets like this, maybe we are spoiled with that constant sun, but I feel like, you feel like something's gonna happen, kind of, not depressive, but, not in your plate. Look who's blooming there. Hey, not an orchid, but yeah, so there's not much happening here, but we can go and check out with you on that Lycoste. There's a little Dendrobium. Yeah, it starts dripping a little bit. Hopefully we'll be able to finish it. The Lycoste, Good. One flower open. It's a Lycosta tricolor. And as you can see, somebody already chewed on one of them. If you remember, I wanted to move it, but then I got scared to move it because it might not like the reposition. Sometimes they react right away, so I decided I'll take my chances and leave it right here. And by the way, after I finished the previous video, I noticed this girl. She was on the lattice right there in the back, and the way she turned, the flowers were going on the other side. So I only saw the leaves, but not the flower itself. This is one of those. Wow, you guys get a treat today. I have a tag. This particular one always is a good bloomer. And I'll tell you, these I got a while ago at Home Depot. If you guys not from United States, it's one of our building stores. And they were in sales rack. And I believe I got it for like $6 or something. And look at her blooming. Beautiful. And I know she will be blooming like that for a while. I kinda never was a big fan of these kinda orchids, but you know what? They're such a hard workers that they getting to me. Look at that. I do nothing to them, and no matter what, they still bloom. And how can you not be happy looking at this? Beautiful explosion right here. Maybe let's put it lower because she's bumping into the brethren's imp. Like right here, girl. Beautiful. Other than that, this gentleman is happy right here. See how it's almost like dark and it's only 9:30 in the morning. And in Florida, if it rains, it really rains, so you can sometimes hear the rain is coming, the drops. This beauty is working on opening more and more flowers. Birds are thinking probably too, singing. So it's nice, I can hear the thunder somewhere. It's happening slowly. What's new besides of what you've seen before? This young man is absolutely stunning too this morning. Look at him. But neat. It has some kind of fragrance, not very typical, not very strong, but it's there. I need to dig into my old videos and find his name because my birds or whoever. This is our new girl that arrived from Orchid Classics. It's been raining for 2 days, so hopefully they will like it here. This is beautiful Vanda from Palmer. Very, very good bloomer. She's been blooming for a while now, so. And right here are our recent mounts. You see, it rained really, really heavily yesterday and it's dry. So this is our weather so far. I don't see nothing bad, nothing really exciting. The bulbs do look a little bit kind of dry, but it's not gonna rain within the next a little bit, I will have to water them. And then there's one open, and guess what? Another tag for you. Hawaii stripes. So fancy this morning. Just one chewed up flower, but it's pretty. And what's going on over there? This Vanda is getting fat. And the ants. Some people are worried about ants on the orchids. I don't think it's anything bad. They, you know, they don't do nothing bad to the orchids, so don't worry about it. You want to spray some, you know, bug spray, go ahead, but they are fine. I don't see nothing, no developments here, or anywhere. So I guess just see, this one is still wet and the rest is dry. So, and it was a good rain yesterday. These are some of my newer mounts. Everything kind of looks dry. Oh, there's one. I didn't even know it was there blooming. Well, no tag here, I guess. I already overdid my tag availability for today. Beautiful fatty in the basket. Woo! It was my old gazebo dropping the water from the roof. And what do we have there? We have one corner survey, I know, blooming here. There's a baby, just one flower, but they are super cute. You know, I love the little guys. It's so cute. And now you can probably hear the rain coming. Come on, little shiny dude. He is like quarter size. You hear the rain? The wind first. Okay, here we go. I'm done with my shaking hands. Super cute. And this is corner survey and self, I believe. Red. That one, I don't know where I got that. But he's super cute. Well, the big surprise that I noticed while I was remodeling everywhere. By the way, this is one tag that I noticed the bird tried to pull it off, and it's attached to the plant, so it didn't happen. Gordito. So it's a fatty, and this is from what's the name? BL Orchids? Bernard, yeah, BL Orchids. Beautiful plant. We'll see. I already sprayed the bug spray, but we'll see if, you know. Ooh, look at this. Many people are scared of this on the leaves. Again, I'll tell you, this is just a sometimes a sign that your flowers will have spots. Nothing else. And nothing significant happened over here. So just a little walk talk. I have some puppies today to groom, so see. Yeah, he weather. And I think that will be it. Nothing else is happening here, so same beauties performing. And I'll try to go somewhere by the end of this week. I'm afraid even to say it sometimes because every time I say it, something yucky happens. No one is... Oh, there's one really big shoot there. But it's... There's some encyclias here are getting ready to bloom. But... you have one more. This orchid blooms a lot. That's a chocolate oncidium. And then there's one over there. I wonder if that's my, what I call giraffe. It has lots of blooms on it. Okay, so you know what? Let's go check those encyclias. I know they had a couple of really nice shoots. They are in they're in here. Oh no, it's still working on it. This is one over here, and the two is over there. Oh, she's almost opened, and I don't know. I don't like the way she turned. Oops, the roots. Almost. But not yet. We'll put you in. These hangers, you see those black ones? I got them in Home Depot. They're very cheap. They're some $10. If you keep your orchids on pots, these are really nice. Besides the pot, you see you can hang stuff on them and then put the pot in. So in the beginning, when I had more time, I even painted them different colors. So you can fun, and just a simple way, and it looks cool. If you don't have so many orchids and you'll just put the pots in there, it really looks interesting and nice. If you start getting more orchids, then you can find other ways. You can just hook them here or like on those. Okay, so I think it'll be it. It's getting more darker. My unusual 9 o'clock in the morning. Here's a little Vanda for you to finish the video. Bright, the only sunshine in the greenhouse right now. So I hope you have a good day and enjoy your plants, your family, your day, and until the next hopefully sunny day. Bye bye.